College with Kids in the Picture. From the Center for Student Success, Troy Dothan, Dothan Campus. This is for anyone that is expecting a child or currently has children while trying to attend college at the same time. Some advice: take fewer classes at a time. Overextending yourself by taking too many classes can cause you more problems than taking fewer classes and being able to fully focus on those classes. You are the only one who knows what you can and cannot handle. Set your limits. Having too many classes on your course load for the term may not allow you the kind of time you need to spend with your child and may cause you to resent school or neglect your assignments, and we don't want that. Enlist help. Everyone needs help. You're not Superman or Superwoman. Ask for help from friends and family. This help can be in the form of babysitting, play dates, giving yourself time to study. If you know of another parent with the same age child in your class, get together for a study date. Let the kids play. You guys work on your assignments. It's a win-win for everyone. It can be a social interaction that's positive for both you and your child. Talk with your professors. Let your professors know your situation. No, I'm not saying have a pity party with your professor about how awful your current situation may or may not be, but it helps them keep up with you in terms of any emergencies that may pop up, any absences that you may have to have. Professors tend to be pretty understanding and work with you if you're upfront with them ahead of time. Expectant mothers. If you are due during the time of your course, speak with your professor about deadlines and find out about any medical excuse options available to you. Be proactive, not reactive. Grants and scholarships. Check and see what scholarships or grants are available to you now that may not have been available before. Don't assume your financial aid or possibilities are the same as before you have kids. Carefully plan your schedule. If you have a small child or infant, then you already know that schedules are life. Kids crave consistency. Try to schedule your classes in a way that will best coincide with your child's schedule, nap time, bottle times, etc. Take alternative classes. There's nothing wrong with night classes. There's nothing wrong with online classes. There's nothing wrong with late evening classes. It can be easier to take classes during the day, but when you have a child, consider looking into different options your school offers. Online classes can allow you to work at your own pace and during a time that is best for your family schedule. Take it one day at a time. There is no doubt this is going to be hard. Not every day is going to be easy. You may feel so exhausted and wonder if it's worth it, but this is definitely worth it for you and your child's future. If you have any questions or if you want to look into any of the things we've discussed today, stop by at any time, the Center for Student Success, Malone 120. See Miss Rebecca Johnson. I've attached her phone number and email address. Feel free to ask questions.